for today, we will be discussing a history of criminal investigation in the Philippines. By the way, my name is Karen Beatriz de Ocampo, a student from 2 Delta. What is criminal investigation? Criminal investigation is a logical process of collection and analysis of facts about person, things, and places related to the crime. Criminal investigation is an applied science that involves the study of facts that are then used to inform criminal trials. A complete criminal investigation can include searching, interviews, evidence collection, and preservation, and various methods of investigation. In 1901, started the Criminal Investigation Service or CIS, known as Criminal Investigation and Detection Group or CIDG. In year 1901-1919, during the American occupation, the Criminal Investigation Services was primarily organized out of the create necessarily of the Philippines Constabulary in the investigation of the crimes. In year 1920-1936, the Information Service led to the successful investigation of the Colorum Revolution, Sacadista movement, and the Acelido uprising. It also became successful in uprising and investigating crime including those committed against the security of the state. In year 1936, the Division of Investigation was created by virtue of Commonwealth Act No. 181 during the tenure of the late President Manuel L. Quezon. In year 1942-1945, during the Japanese occupation, the DI was affiliated with the Bureau of Internal Revenue and Philippine Constabulary known as Bureau of Investigation or BIR. In year 1946, the CIS was taped to perform highly specialized tasks of investigation and intelligence work as a criminal investigation branch of 62. In year 1987, the mandate of the 1987 Constitution establishing the National Police Force that should be national in scope, civilian in character under the Department of Interior and Local Government paved the way of the creation of the Philippine National Police. In 1991, due to the media publicity of investigation of sensational cases committed by local executive organized crime group. In year 1994, September 5, 1994, the Criminal Investigation Service Command was renamed Criminal Investigation and Detection Group following NAPOLCOM Resolution No. 9237 with the motto, "We seek the truth from their humble reception." In year 1996, a SOCO team or Scene of the Crime operatives appropriately organized to meet the core mission of the crime laboratory, which is the support unit. Again, I'm Karen Beatriz Baroja de Ocampo, student from 2 Delta. I hope you learned something in this video.